Hello traders. Hello traders. Hello traders. So I hope that you can hear my voice. Okay, perfect. So I think you can hear my voice. So I will be waiting for the number to get larger and then we start. Hello to all of you. Hello Sneeze. Hello Chiva. Hello Christian. Hello Rossi. Kathy, dear King, I was thinking of you today. Oh, thank you very much. It's my pleasure. Where can I learn your strategy? Well, everything is available on my website and you can watch my YouTube channel. Missing you so much. Thank you very much. Hector, hi. Okay, so I'm waiting for the number to increase a little bit. You can share the link meanwhile so more people can join this live streaming. Okay, so here we are on the euro dollar. Mainly the market now is a little slow at this time, but we will still find some opportunities to enter the market. Okay, I'm still waiting for the number to get larger. Hector, hello. Hello, Bambi. Greetings. Corey, hello. Gary, hey King. Hello, Gary. Kathy, we miss you. Thank you very much. Missing you too. Hello, Anwar. Joel, hi KOF. Happy to see you again, my motivator. Thank you. It's my pleasure. I can hear you, King. Okay. Missing your voice. Thank you, traders. My greetings to each one of you. Here we are live again. Okay, voice is clear and perfect. Okay, great. King, what's the difference between 1% and moving average technique? Okay, so you mean the full version of the EMA strategy. Okay, the 1% trading strategy and the EMA strategy are completely different trading system. On my channel, I am mainly trading the EMA strategy, the basic version of it only, and the full version is available on my website. So the 1% and the EMA are completely different trading systems. Mary, hello King. It's such a long time, King. Thank you, Potra. Okay, so now as you can see the price, I will be trading the EMA strategy, the basic version of it, okay? Anwar, I bought the 1%. You're most welcome. Okay, so here we are on the euro dollar. I'm going to start for the moment. Meanwhile, the volume is very low. As you can see, it's below the EMA 20. And the price actually, the whole candles at the meantime are very close from EMAs. Okay, so for the people who are first time watching, here we have EMA 9, EMA 20, 50, the blue one, and 200, the green one. Okay, we also have the volume indicator with EMA 20 applied to it. Okay, so I will be trading the EMA strategy. Now, the price is very close from EMAs, so we don't have any opportunity, as you can see. And meanwhile, I'm trying to answer your questions. Hey King, it's been a while. Thank you. How have you been? Great. Hope you're doing well too. Let's kill the market. Yes, definitely, Jordan. Welcome back, KOF. Thank you. Okay, so let's check other charts. GBP dollar also very close from EMAs. AUD dollar missed opportunity here. However, it was not very far from the EMAs. Also, an opportunity on the USD CAD, but also missed. Okay, it's okay to miss opportunities, so you will always find. The USD yen also. Okay, mainly the whole markets are very close from EMAs for the moment. Okay, when you start to trade the Forex market, how do you choose between full EMA and 1%? You will trade one of them, definitely. Only the best is to trade one strategy, of course. But having the knowledge of both is the important thing. The ideal, definitely. How to link 20 EMA with volume? Well, I've explained this a lot previously. However, from here, from the navigator bar here, you have the navigator bar, your accounts and many tabs. You will be looking for the moving average tab. Sometimes it's included in the trend tab. Okay, so here on the left, you have a tab. Scroll down, you will find a tab called the trend. Okay, click on it. Inside it, you will have moving average tab. Click on it and keep clicking, so drag it toward the volume indicator. Okay, once you are here, you can release and the moving average window is going to open automatically. Then you can select EMA 20, as you can see, period 20, exponential, and apply to. You don't select close, it's close by default, so you select first indicators data and you choose the color that you want. Okay, I'm using the red one. Okay, try it. On the mobile, it's another way. Okay, I bought the 1%. Is it good if I buy the MA technique as well? Okay, definitely. Having both strategies is the ideal, and you can only get the 1% trading strategy, the highest value product, and obviously getting both is the ideal to get the whole knowledge. Does the EMA strategy work on gold too? Yes, but at the end you are scalping, and gold market or Bitcoin crypto market have higher spreads. So you have to take that into consideration. Okay, you have higher spreads on gold market. Yes, it can be applied, definitely. Hi, Master King. Great to be live with you again. Dominic, thank you very much. Victor, hey, have heard from you from my friend from Kenya. Ah, okay. My greetings to Kenya and to your friend. You're most welcome, Victor. Please make more course and website. Let us learn more. Okay, hopefully soon. I'm trying my best to deliver my whole knowledge for you. So hopefully soon. And if any course is uploaded on my website, it's going to be announced automatically on my YouTube channel, definitely. Everything on my website is announced on my YouTube channel. I'm ready to beat the market again. Glad to hear that. King, which leverage you use? Okay, for the leverage part, the higher the leverage, the better, since you can open more trades. Of course, I'm saying that a good trader is benefiting from higher leverage. A bad trader with high leverage cannot do anything. Instead, he's going to blow his account faster. So the higher the leverage, the better for a good trader, because he can open more trades. Okay? For me, I trade from different leverages. If you watch my YouTube channel, my videos, I have traded from very small account, very small leverage, and very high leverage. Okay, small leverage, it means very tough account because you cannot open too many positions, and high leverage, you can open lots of positions. So if you watch my whole videos on my channel, you will see trading from different account types. Thank you for the guidance, King. You're most welcome, Kumar. Potra, good, King. I managed to set up my chart. Okay, perfect. Joel, King, use 1% strategy also in live video, please. No, mainly on my channel, I'm only using the basic version of the EMA strategy. The 1% strategy is on my website. Okay, so here we are, still waiting for the market. At this time, the market is slow usually, so that's very normal. Okay, so we're still trying. The price is very close from the EMAs. Here on USDCHF, we have the beginning of an opportunity. It's not an opportunity yet. Once the price is moving up further, I will start selling from there in order to reach the EMAs back. Okay? And hopefully the market gets faster, so okay, the euro dollar is making bigger candles. Okay. Bless you, King. Thank you very much. Okay, so does anyone have any open position for the moment? Because the market is not giving any open position for the moment. Meanwhile, does anyone have any open position? Okay. %1 hasn't been working for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Yes, definitely you should be doing something wrong. However, the trader can only improve through more practice and experience. So don't give up on it, on the trading. Keep practicing, keep improving, focus on your timing, focus on your entry, on your exits. Give it time, okay? It depends on each trader. Some traders are faster to succeed, while others take longer time to reach the level of success, okay? So it depends on each trader. The most important thing is to acquire the complete knowledge, the full knowledge, and then to start practicing every day. The more you practice, the more you learn. You will develop what's called the feeling of the market, and that's your edge, okay? Once you start feeling the market, things get easier. You will start to know what trading really is. Because believe me, you don't know what trading is until lots of time. You will need lots of practice to start understanding what trading really is, okay? So for the traders who are not succeeding yet, My word is don't give up. Trading is a great career. It's worth it. Keep practicing. The trader can only improve through more practice and experience. Don't waste your time elsewhere. Keep practicing, okay? Okay, for the lot size, as explained, it depends on the account. For the scalping, if you have for a $100,000, so 100K account, the best volume to use, the suitable size is one lot or volume 1. Okay, so you can do the scale for other accounts. Okay, last time when I was trade live with you, I make from 100 euro to 700 on euro dollar. Do you remember? Well, thank you and congratulations for your profits. Hi King, I have an open swing trade. I'm waiting on silver tomorrow. No, we are talking about the scalping now. If you have any open position for the moment now. That was the question. Okay, we've missed an opportunity, unfortunately, here on the euro dollar. Trying to answer all of your questions, however, lots of questions, so. Okay, so the USDCHF is moving further. Once it's upward, I will start selling it. Euro dollar, it was a great buy here if you have bought. And now it's time to close on your profits. For the GBP, I bought the full EMA strategy and work hard now. I am full of confidence while looking any chart. I know when to wait, when to enter, and when to close. Thank you very much, King of Forex. You're most welcome, Dominic. Thank you very much for your kind words. So glad to hear that, and congratulations for your improvement. Exactly. Knowing when to wait, when to enter, and when to close. Even waiting is a position, okay? So always remember that you have 3 types of orders. Either opening an order or closing it, or waiting. Waiting is also a position, so you have 3 positions, okay? Don't be greedy and don't be patient. Okay, wait for, as you can see for the moment, I didn't take any order. However, I have missed an entry here because I was answering. Okay, so don't open an order just to trade. Trading needs patience, okay? Of course, at the beginning you will not be that patient, but work on yourself to develop that. It's a key in trading psychology, okay? Me too, okay, just close one position on NAS 100. I have a running sell position on USD yen. Running sell position on USD yen. Okay. You are truly the best. Thank you. Euro dollars has moved away from EMAs. Yeah, but I've missed it, Hubert. King of Forex, where have you been, my friend? Thank you. Once I have time, so be live, okay. US 30 is too volatile, okay. Hey King, how are you? Love from Ireland. My greetings to your country. Thank you. Okay, so here we have missed an opportunity. Let's look for the USDCHF again. Mainly the first entry is going to be here on USD CHF. Are you looking for sells only for now? for sells and buys. Okay, it depends. If you are for the people who are first time watching my channel, of course you're not going to understand what I'm trading in this live, so I advise you to watch my YouTube channel from the beginning, okay, the whole videos, so you can understand what we are doing, okay, or what I am waiting for. So once the price is below EMAs, we buy, and once the price is above EMAs, we sell. That's the basic version of the EMA strategy. Okay, so we don't just wait for sell, we buy also. But now for the moment, we don't have any opportunities because candles are very close from EMAs. Mainly the reason is that at this time, the market is very slow, usually, okay? Because we're at the end of the New York session. Sometimes at this time, the market would be slightly higher volatile, okay, highly volatile, but for this session, the price is very close from EMA, so we don't have any opportunities. However, the USDCHF, I'm waiting for it to move upward, and I will be selling it. How do you trade when indices are too volatile? I'm struggling. Well, the higher the volatility, the better in scalping, because the price will be moving much faster with higher volume. Okay, so higher volatility is always recommended in scalping because you will be in and out in the market in a very fast time. So you will be making fast and huge profits, while when the market is slow, like for the moment, as you can see, I didn't have any entry because the market is slow. If the market starts moving faster, that's better. Okay, so higher volatility is always recommended in scalping. If you're struggling with indices, you can try with currencies, and mainly the whole reason is lack of practice. Okay, so you will need to practice more. Watch my channel first, watch my videos. The complete trading skill set is available on my website. Acquire the right knowledge and start on the right path. Best time frame for scalping, the whole day. However, you should always avoid the first and last hours of any trading day, since at that time the market is very slow. Okay, and the higher the volatility, the better for scalping. What strategy is this? The EMA strategy, the basic version of it. And again, we are still waiting for an opportunity. Mainly, the price is very close from EMAs, so we don't have any opportunity yet. Okay, USDCHF. If you have sold there, now it's time to close, but it wasn't a great selling opportunity. Why? So pay attention here. Okay, the price was away from EMA, but when the market is slow, you have to take into consideration. That's why I always say practice is the key. And the trader can only improve through more practice and experience. If the market was volatile, I would have sold here because the price will return very fast. Okay, so you will close in good profits. But now, since the market is very slow, this very small distance will take, since the market is slow, the price will take lots of time, too many candles to reach EMAs. So meanwhile, this distance will get narrower, okay? So it's going to be smaller, and your profits are going to be much, much smaller. That's why I didn't enter a sell here. You see? So if you are first time practicing, definitely you will have placed a selling order here, and now the price reached EMAs, and your profits are not that much. Or maybe even it's a break even or something, okay? So when the market is moving very slow, you have to take that into consideration, that the price will take time to reach the EMAs. As you can see, the volume, take a look, the volume is very, very low, and the whole time mainly below EMA 20. Okay, so euro dollar now is making bigger movement. Let's see. GBP dollar, nothing. This one also. If now the USD CHF went further upward, I will be selling it. Okay, now I'll keep my eye on the euro dollar, trying to answer all of your questions, but really I'm receiving a lot, so I'm asking about chart time frame. Okay, now I am trading the M1 time frame. For scalping, you can trade on M1 or M5, of course, if you want fast scalping. Okay, M1 is the preferred for scalping. So 1 minute time frame. Hello KOF, how can we be certain that price will move back to EMAs? Okay, so your question is very advanced, and with more experience, as explained previously, if you were watching the live from the beginning, however, the people who have missed it, you can watch the replay, of course. You will develop the feeling of the market, okay? Once you have the feeling of the market, you will start learning when the price is going to reach the EMAs. If it's all about timing, if you want, okay? So once you develop the right feeling of the market, after acquiring the right knowledge, getting the right strategies, and practicing for some time, it depends on each trader, of course, then you will develop the feeling of the market. It means your timing is going to improve a lot, and you will start noticing that. Once your timing improves, then you will be placing your orders at the right time, okay, due to the feeling of the market and the knowledge, the experience that you have acquired, okay? So your question needs lots of practice to start understanding that and developing the right feeling of the market. Okay, so the euro dollar now started to move away from EMA, and I'm waiting for it. We will mainly have an opportunity on euro dollar. Euro dollar is moving again, king. Yes, I know. I have an eye on it. Want to use EMA strategy and 1%? You will be using one of them, of course. Okay, having both is the ideal, but once you trade, you will be trading from one of them. The best is to only trade one strategy at a time. Okay. How to consider spreads? Okay. Of course, the lower the spreads in scalping, the better, but you will be trading the pairs with the lowest spreads in your account, okay? You don't have to, it's not mandatory to trade the whole pairs, that's wrong, okay? You just have to trade the pairs with the lowest spreads in the account. Hello King, I am Muhammad from India. I love you, bro. Thank you. You're most welcome. My greetings to India. Okay, so as you can see, for the euro dollar, start preparing for a great entry for the moment. Since the market is slow, I'm waiting for a good move here. Okay, focusing on the chart. So waiting for a big red candle, big bearish candle, to place my first order. Because the market is very slow, so you take into consideration that the price will take time to return, to reach EMAs. That's why, to make the opposite of that risk, you have to place your order little away, okay, to break this distance. The price now is moving to reach the EMAs. Even though if now the price reached EMA, that's a very small profit, okay? So it's not worth it to take this opportunity, okay? To take the risk of this opportunity. In this case, the market is slow. You wait for a bigger distance. As you can see now, that's what I'm talking about. I am waiting for some big bearish candle to place my first order. As you can see, that's what I'm talking about. As expected, the price is going to make a big bearish candle. Let's see. Okay, trying to answer your questions meanwhile. Does strategy work on market open high volatile? Yes, US 30, yes, definitely. However, as explained previously, you have to take into consideration when trading gold or indices that spreads are higher. Okay? So when trading the other markets, spreads are higher than currencies when you are trading indices or gold. But it's worth it, of course. And because gold is highly volatile, also indices provide high volatility, so it's good for scalping. Okay, so you can trade it, but you have to take into consideration higher spreads. Exactly as expected. Told you that I am waiting for the price. That's the timing that I'm telling you. You see, I didn't enter here, neither here, neither here. I told you that I am waiting for a big bearish candle, and now the price started to make this big bearish candle. So I will be preparing to place my order at the end of this candle. We are at the last seconds, 55, 56, 58. Okay, so I've placed my first order. You see the timing. I've had too many opportunities here, but I didn't enter because the market is very slow. I took that into consideration. That's the feeling of the market, the timing, the experience that I'm talking about. Hello King, please can one pay with Bitcoin? Unfortunately, Bitcoin is not available on my website. You can pay with either a Visa card or MasterCard, okay? Unfortunately, Bitcoin is not available yet on my website. Okay, so as you can see, I've been waiting. I've placed my order at the end of the market watch. If you are understanding what I'm saying, pay attention to the market watch. I've been placing my order at the end of it. Now I'm profitable, as you can see. I will be waiting for the price to move upward higher. Why I have placed my order here? Because the market watch was at the end, 55 seconds, 56 seconds. So the last 5 seconds of the candle, because here each candle represents 1 minute. So once you are 55, 56, 57, you are at the end of the candle. Here you place your order if you are a good trader practicing the strategy, okay? Especially at these moments, as you can see, that's the golden timing that I'm talking about. I've placed my order at the great moment, okay? I will be closing this order. Why? Okay, very small profit. It's not about that. Okay, the profit is a profit. However, it's a small profit because the market is not moving. If you take a look from 2 hours till now, the price was around 1.17, 290, and now we are 210 and 200. Okay, so imagine within 2 hours, the price didn't even move 100 points or 10 pips. Okay, so you cannot expect also the price may suddenly make big pips. That's fine, okay, but this is not a calculated risk. Okay, you don't have to trade based on chance. You have to trade based on your knowledge, based on your experience, to be professional. That's how professional trades. Okay, you don't want to be based on chance. Okay, so you have to take into consideration that you are trading a slow market. Within 2 hours, the price wasn't able to make 10 pips or 100 points. You cannot expect a sudden movement, very big movement. However, it could happen, definitely, it always happens, but you have to take your profits early on, okay? And now, as you can see, the price went up further. Let's see who have bought and who have made lots of profits on euro dollar. Your strategy is a killer. I've been practicing your strategy for the past week and all my trades are wins. Thank you very much. You're most welcome and congratulations for your big profits. Okay, so as you can see, the euro dollar where I have bought, it went up and I wanted to make bigger profits from it, but I gave the market a chance to be moving downward again, so that's why I took a small profit from it. Indices, I go on M5, and gold currency pairs, I run on M15. Yeah, okay, it can be traded on any time frame. So you can apply it on any time frame. Now we have a good opportunity on the euro dollar. GBP dollar also is moving upward. AUD dollar, no, you don't have any opportunity. USDCHF went down in a very aggressive mode. Okay, so for the euro dollar, I will start selling it. Placed my first selling order on the euro dollar, waiting for the price to reach the EMAs here. Okay, so again, just tell me who have made profits on the euro dollar, bought the euro dollar and made profits. Is this EMA strategy? Yeah, definitely. Made some. Bought and closed when you did. Okay, perfect. Okay, unfortunately, if that's unfortunately the only possible way on my website is through cards. Okay, unfortunately, Bitcoin is not available on my website again. Okay, now at the end of the market watch, as you can see, it was the end. I have placed my second order. The distance is very important between your orders, so you always have to take that into consideration, you don't have to keep on selling. Okay, now as you can see, I am more aggressive in my entries. Why? Because the price started moving much faster, because volume is crossing EMA 20 and the price is moving in a much aggressive mode. That's why I am placing more orders. However, giving lots of space between my orders. As you can see, I'm giving the price lots of space. Okay, now I have placed another order. That was perfect timing on euro dollar. Thank you, Potra. How many pairs do we need to trade? You can trade either one pair when using the EMA strategy, only one pair. You enter the market like I'm doing now. You close on your profits and then you place an order on other markets or other pairs, okay? However, once you are placing your orders in one chart, you will be looking for other markets, okay? So now for the moment, I know that I have an opportunity on GBP dollar and another opportunity on AUD dollar. So I am taking that into account. Once I finish on euro dollar, I can move immediately to others, okay? Give the market its time, be patient. As you can see now, the price started moving very fast. I'm giving it lots of space. I made Profit King. That was perfect timing on euro dollar. Congratulations for your profits. Okay, trying to answer all of your questions. High King was going well on gold for the last 4 days, but today gold hurt me. Sad, but so I learned. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Okay. Once failing is learning. Okay. Failing is learning. That's fine. You've been doing well for 4 days on gold. That's perfect. And today it was bad day. Of course, you've learned a lot from it. That's fine. Keep moving forward. Dominic, I made profits, sir. Congratulations for your profits.